Candy. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday's notes not updated, Andy. I missed the notes yesterday. Today I'll update 5 and 6. Sorry, 4 and 5 I'll update it together. Only two solutions are available yesterday. Assignment 1, assignment 2 also. Solution is available to you. Right. This diagram also must be pasted actually. Yesterday. Right. Remaining that program I'll copy and I'll send it. Okay, right. So like this. Finally, the information with you. Class can hold variables. Class can hold concrete methods. Class can hold blocks. Class can hold constructors. Class can hold features. The meaning, class is extended from another class. So class can use the features of another class. In that process, here, 1 minute. I must copy this diagram also. Right. So class can hold methods, blocks, constructors, features. The methods are concrete methods. Anyway, interfaces can hold variables. Interfaces can hold abstract methods up to now. Interface cannot hold blocks and constructors. Interface can hold features. The meaning, interface extended from another interface. One interface can use the features of another interface. That's a theory. Here features means members. Abstract class can hold variables. Abstract class can hold methods, concrete methods, abstract methods. Abstract class can hold blocks, constructors, and features. Even abstract class extended from another abstract class, so that the members of one abstract class available to another abstract class. That only we are calling it as features. So the total combination of diagrams. See there? Total combinations anyway. Now, class can be extended from another class. One class can be extended from another class. Here extends. A class can be implemented from another interface. A class can be implemented from another interface. This is implements. A class can be extended from one abstract class. One abstract class. A class can be extended from another abstract class. All have understood these three models. This is the first combination to be remembered anyway. After that, you take interfaces. If we take interfaces, one interface will be extended from another interface. Interface extended to another interface. Interface to interface, what keyword now? Extends. Now, one class linked to interface. One class linked to interface. One abstract class linked to interface. Now, class to interface, what keyword? Class to interface, what keyword? This model not available. This model not available. Remember it. This model is not available. A interface cannot be extended or implemented from another component. Interface means it is implemented to class, implemented to abstract class. So interface extends from another interface. That's all. Okay, right. This is interface combination. If we take abstract class, one abstract class extended from another abstract class. One abstract class extended from another abstract class. Now, one interface implemented to one abstract class. Implemented to one abstract class. One class extends to one abstract class. See there. So these all combinations available. So interface can be implemented to abstract class. One class can be extended to abstract class, no problem. Link is available. So these are the combinations we had. These are the multiple inheritance combinations. Sorry, single inheritance combinations. They are all single only, no. So they are all single inheritance combinations with the interface class and abstract class. These are the single inheritance combinations we had. So we copy that diagrams here representing single inheritance process. The diagrams representing single inheritance process. Now, specially we are discussing on multiple inheritance models using interfaces. Make a siding, star mark IMP. Multiple inheritance models using interfaces. Multiple inheritance models using interfaces. We are having a discussion. Multiple inheritance models using interfaces. Multiple inheritance models using interfaces. Model 1. Extracting the features from more than one interface into a class. More than one interface into a class. Extracting the features from more than one interface into a class. Extracting the features from more than one interface into a class. Right. Here simply you can say class implementing from more than one interface. More than one interface. Class implementing from more than one interface. Class implementing from more than one interface. Right. Look here. So the diagram will look like this now. Suppose one class is there. Some class. I'll take it as one implementation class. I will take it. This implementation class can be implemented from any number of interfaces. Suppose I had one interface 1 here. I had one interface, two here, one interface. So you can link it. This interface can be linked to this class. This interface can be linked to this class. So here, interface to classes implements. Interface to classes implements. Now here I'll take one method now. Some int k is equal to 10. Int k is equal to 20. Now these are static variables, no? Yes or no? Na? So static. Static means they'll get the memory within the interface only, no? Yes or no? Na? So they will not come to the, of course, you can access with class names. Sorry, you can access with interface names, but they are not available. No? Not available in the sense they will not come and join the objects. So they are static. I'll take one method here. Void m of some x, I will take it. Same method I will take here. Void m of x. Here, abstract, no? Sir, these methods are abstract. Abstract. These methods are abstract here. Abstract. So what is the rule of implementation? The class has to take the abstract method and construct the body. Now it takes that two methods like this. Same name, no? Same method signature, no? It construct the body for one method. Sir, which method means? So which one is first implemented? That one. Suppose if it is implemented from here first, then second means it takes the method from here and construct the body. So at last only one method will be there. So ambiguity not available in the methods because the methods are abstract methods. Body not there. No. You are constructing a single body. Variable also ambiguity not there because they are static methods. They are available in the interfaces. So here we are constructing the body for one method. Void m of some int x, we construct the body. So we take the method and construct the body. I will take one more method here. Void display, I will take it. Sir, why void display? So void display to display that values k and k. One from itest1, one from itest2. I'll display k value. One from interface 1, one from interface 2. So finally, the information to you, one class can take the features from more than one interface. That's the information. Now let me write the program. I'll paste the diagram there. I'll write the program. So in the example program, I'm going to take itest1.java, itest2.java, and we are having iclass.java. I will take demo multiple inheritance 1.java. So this I will take it as a main class. Right. See there I am taking this program. The same thing I'll construct it now. See there. 1 minute. Now, we are under which chapter now? Okay, I will take one multiple inheritance. I will take it. Multiple inheritance application 1. Just I am taking one interface here. I test 1. I will take it. I'll take one interface here. I test 2. I'll take one class here. I class. I test, I am taking one variable. Automatically public, automatically static, automatically final. Int k is equal to 10. Yes or no? Is the nature of variable or not now? Okay. The method. Automatically public, automatically abstract, and void. Void m of int x. I will take it. Now, same code only, no. In I test 2, I will take int k is equal to 20. I will take it. Same method only, no. Both are. So 2 interfaces are there. Now the syntax here is nothing but implements from I test 1 comma I test 2. That's the syntax. Class implements from I test 1 comma I test 2. Like this, you can write any number of interface. That's the syntax. Now you have to construct the body for whom only one method is there. No, if more than one method is there, all you can take it. But both are having a single method only. Construct the body. Void m of int x. Like this. I am taking one extra method here, that is void display. I will take it. So here the output is coming from system.out.println. The output is coming from m of x. So printing x, system.out.println. The x value is coming. Now, this is coming from display. System.out.println. The output is coming from display. So this is implemented method. By terminology, we call it as implemented method. So this is what method now? Non-implemented method. Non-implemented method. All of you understood the terminology implemented method? What is the meaning of implemented method? Sir, the method taken from the interface and constructed the body. That's called implemented method. This is direct method. We are calling it as non-implemented method. So here, system.out.println. See there? I am printing I test 1 k value plus k. System, see. Whenever I print k here, see. Whenever I print k here, it is asking in the compilation. The field k is ambiguous. Observe this point now. Field k is ambiguous. Why? Means it is saying that there are 2 k's available to me. So both are coming or not? Now that's called ambiguous means a replication. Your author said very clearly, in C++, ambiguity will come in the execution stage. In Java, ambiguity can be identified in the compilation stage. Error will come for us. So that developer can rectify and go forward. But in the C++, what happened? Once the execution started, ambiguity will come. So the applications will generate wrong results for them. C++ great history is there. Everybody knows that. Two languages first. One is C, one is C++ actually. C language is structured programming. C++ is object-oriented programming. There only the engineering study started. Even I also, my engineering. For me, VPT is there. VPT. My lab is VPT. Visual Programming Techniques. There is no for me like Java lab, web technology. Nowadays, the technology is increased. I am an engineer 22 years back. I am. So almost my engineering, I started 98, my admission. So passed out in 2002. I had a lab known as VPT, Visual Programming Techniques. One lab is there. In that, all combinations of programs are available for us. Java few programs, C++ few programs, COBOL is there for us. COBOL some programs like this. Combinations we used to make one record, a single lab actually. On that day, this many technologies not there no. Very limited. C and C++ is the dominating on that day. On that day, who knows C and C++ is a good code writer on that day. Audio driver, video driver, motherboard driver, keyboard. On that day, operating system also not there. Very great operating system also not there. Today you had very beautiful operating system today. On that day, Windows 95 network driver not there. No internet connection for Windows 95. After Windows 95, Windows NT came. So Windows NT came means a driver came. That driver written by C developer. Audio driver, video, because on that day, C and C++ is dominating on that day. So from there only VC++ came. Visual C++. From there only .NET came, no? Your .NET people came from there only. That is a root for them. From there, one sector is .NET. From there, another sector, Java came this side. So they are all roots are from your C++. So in a C++, your author said very clearly, when the execution started, ambiguity will come. But here in Java, here you can see the ambiguity directly in the compilation stage. By seeing this, you can rectify. What will say now? I want K from itest1 dot K. I want K from itest1. itest2. itest2. This is. So here you can call with the interface names possibilities there. For your C++ and static variable will get the memory outside the class. It's a drawback. In C++, static variable will get the memory outside the class because they had a concept known as a global variable. Your author brought that memory inside the class because we say static variable inside the class. Today's engineer, some components he cannot catch it because C++ not there, no? We only will say don't learn C++. Directly you are coming, no? Some components you cannot imagine it. That is the reason happening. But who knows C++ to Java, some components you can understand very clearly. Static variable will get the memory within the class means C++ engineer will understand. Okay. In C++, I worked that static variable outside the class. The author brought that memory inside the class for security. That happened in 2006. Not now. It happened in 2006 already. For security, we brought it. So if I say that statement in 2022, engineer will ask, why sir, static variable in the class, they'll ask it. Because my teacher educated me, class is a logical component. Your engineering college will write it as a class is a logical component, they'll write it. If it is a logical component, memory not there, no sir, they'll ask the question to us. But for that root is C++. Now no need to speak about C++. We are in the carrier oriented, no? In a career oriented, we select the domain and go forward or not now. So in that process, you prepared your mindset saying that static variable are getting the memory within the class we are writing. We are educating that nodes to the market and saying that in other language, static variable is outside the class. I only will write global variable not available in Java. I only will write. So I am educating some students in the market who knows other languages. Global variable available for them means memory is coming outside the class. For us, memory is inside the class for security. Here also, ambiguity in the compilation stage, not in the execution stage. Other languages will get ambiguity in the execution stage. For you, developer while writing the code only, he can identify the ambiguity. It's a theory. Now, go for M-Access, class, demo, multiple inheritance, import test.star. We create object for I class. OB is equal to new I class. Now, OB.m. Now, OB.display. So, answer will come. Answer is coming or not now? Finally, a class can be implemented from any number of interfaces. The point. Any number of interfaces. So, this is the output. Right. Already, this model available in the library. See there. Example for multiple inheritance model 1 is your string class. Already worked with your string chapter and came here now already. So we had Java P, Java.lang.string. If we see the string class now, string implements from, serializable, implements from, comparable, implements from, char sequence, implements from, constantable, java.lang.constant.constantable, and implements from constant descending. So these many interfaces are there. So your string implemented from almost serializable 1, comparable 2, char sequence 3, constantable 4, and constant descending 5. So it is implemented from 5 interfaces. So string is multiple inheritance model. Understood this point? And one more information to you. In real time, we never write interfaces. Interface constructions not there. Developers never write interfaces. We use interfaces. From the library, interfaces are available. We use them. But we never construct, we never create interfaces. If we go to advanced Java, already few people are attending advanced Java. What is attending? Connection, one interface. Statement, one interface. Prepared statement, one interface. Result set, one interface. Up to now, 4 interfaces entered. Into JDBC, 4 interfaces entered in 11M batch. One is connection interface. One is statement interface. One is prepared statement interface. One is result set interface. Means what? You are using interfaces. You are not constructing interfaces. We never construct interfaces in the real time. But why the interface chapter is there means to understand its construction rules. The interface chapter is available. When the interfaces construction not available in the hand of developer, you never use multiple inheritance model. You never construct multiple inheritance model. Multiple inheritance model is available in the library. The best example, string class for the model number 1. Clear this point? But without knowing that multiple inheritance model, you are using string or not? Already you are using string or not? Using string, some work we done, some work already pending is there. So we are using string, but string is nothing but one multiple inheritance class. It's a theory. So that is model number 1 we had. Go for model number 2. Make it model number 2. Extracting. Somebody is asking meaning of ambiguity in the online. You can type ambiguity in the Google search. Meaning will come, no? Right? So ambiguity means confusion. Because of replication, confusions will be raised. Extracting the features from one class and any number of interfaces into a class. Extracting the features from one class and any number of interfaces into class. Simply class extending from one class and implementing from any number of interfaces. Class extending from one class and implementing from any number of interfaces. Any number of interfaces. Right. Some diagram here. I am going with model 2 now, like this. Here we take one class. So I am calling it as some parent class. I will take it. One class. I will take one interface here. I test one interface. Like this, you can take any number of interfaces you can take. Here, I'll take one child class. Now this also one class. Class to class we had extends. Interface to class we had implements. We had implements. So one extends, one implements. Class extended from one class and can be implemented from any number of interfaces. Here you can write any number of interfaces. That said only one class. Okay, right. In this class, I am taking one method. Void M1 of some int x, I will take it. Already you know, this method is concrete. Esa nona. This is one concrete. I'll take one method here now. Void M2, I will take it. Int y. Already you know, sir, this is abstract. If you write one method in the interface, it will be abstract. When you write one method inside the class, it will be concrete. So here it is abstract. So here already body will be there. Here body not available. So this C class has to construct the body for this method. it takes this M2, void M2 int y and construct the body. It construct the body for abstract method only. No need to construct the body for concrete method. So it takes. So this is the model. First I'll run this once. Okay, right. See there. I am taking multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance application 2. Right click on test new one class, that is parent class. I'll take one class as child class. I will take it. I'll take one class as interface as iTest roughly. Now here I will take one concrete method. So public void M1 of int x. Now system dot out dot println. I am displaying from M1 of x. I'll display. So system dot out dot println x plus x. Now the child class, first interface. Interface, I will take one abstract method here. Public abstract void M2 of int y. I will take it. Now the class the class must be linked to two components, no? Right. So remember this syntax now. This class extends from parent class, then implements from iTest. First extension, then implementation. First extension, then implementation. Very careful. Okay, right. First extends, then implements. So we have to construct the body for the method coming from the interface. Now here, system dot out dot println. Here, the answer is coming from M2. The answer is coming from M2. Now, system dot out dot println. The value, simply can write y is equal to plus 1. Now this is the link to be remembered. We create object for child class. Here, demo multiple inheritance 2. Here, import test dot star. We create object for I class. Child class. OB is equal to new child class. Here, OB dot M1. OB dot M2. So anyway, this is the model. We are educating you. One class can be extended from one class and implemented from any number of interfaces. Suppose here, I'll take one more method here. Void. I'll take one more method here. Void display of int z concrete method. One concrete method. I'll take same method here. Void display of int z. I will take abstract. Sir, if I take abstract here, what happens? I want to know, sir. Same method is coming or not now? One method is coming through extends, one method is coming through implements. Sir, what happens in the class? I want to know, sir. Here, go for parent class, write one more method here. So public void DIS of int z. I am writing. Here, system dot out dot print ln. I am keeping the comment as parent class DIS of z. We must know which body is coming. So I am keeping parent class z. I am keeping. Okay, right. Roughly. Okay. Now system dot out dot print ln. Here z is equal to plus z. So after that, go for ITest here. Write the same method here. Public abstract void display of int z. If I write it, what happened? See there. In the implementation, no error. Understood this point or not now? Which method came now? Already this method came or not now? So already it coming from parent class, no? Whether it is working or not, let me run it. ob dot display 147 roughly. Parent class is coming or not now? If same method signature is anyway, concrete method is there, no? It is taking that concrete method and running. No need. It takes that method body as a body and run it. All have understood this statement, and right? So here, suppose here concrete method is there, abstract method is there. Now this concrete method taken as an output, because this act as an body for it, because both will come here. If both are coming here also, for this body not there, no issue. It takes this concrete method. It's a concept. Now here, output. Now here, example program. I took parent class dot Java. I took ITest dot Java. I took child class dot Java. I took demo multiple inheritance 2 dot Java. This is one model number 2. Sir, this model number 2 also available in the library means yes. Wrapper classes. You worked with wrapper classes, no? That wrapper classes internally, if you look carefully, they belongs to multiple inheritance models. Model number 2. Suppose I'll take one integer class outside. I will take some integer class outside. From your wrapper classes, I am taking integer class. Integer class. This integer class you can see. Integer class extends from number. Can you see here? Extends from number, implements from comparable, constantable, means what? Combination is there, no? One class extends from another class and implements from more number of interfaces. Of course, this number class is an abstract class. In the place of class, you can replace with abstract class also. That also multiple inheritance model only. Class and abstract classes, same features are available, except class will have object and abstract class do not have an object. Got it right? So anyway, this model also readily available to you. Got it right? Now model number 3, last model. Model number 3. extracting the features from more than one interface into a interface. Extracting the features from more than one interface into a interface. More than one interface into a interface. Interface extending from any number of interfaces. Interface extending from any number of interfaces. Interface extending from any number of interfaces. Extending from any number of interfaces. Right. Like this. The model looks like this. Suppose we had one interface like this. We had one more interface like this. I test one interface. I test two, one interface. Interfaces can be linked to one more interface. I test three, one interface. Interface to interface, what keyword now? Interface to interface, we had extends. Here, extends. Now, interface to interface, we had extends. Like this, extends. See the combination, you can understand. Here, implements from two interfaces, one extends, one implements. Here, both extends. Only three models will be there in multiple inheritance. These three models also from the library only. In the library, all will be these three combinations only. Multiple inheritance, ready, constructed, and available for you through library. You never write multiple inheritance application manual. So here I'll take one method here. Anyway, void. Void M1 of X. This is abstract anyway. Void M2 of Y. This is abstract. Void M3 of Z. This also abstract. So all these are abstract. Abstract methods. Abstract. Abstract. And abstract. Yeah, RACT. Okay. Now, is there any object creation for interface directly? Not there. Actually, in advanced Java also not there. One methods are coming and creating. That model also I'll give in the core Java. How method will create one object means inside the method one object creation syntax we are going to keep it. That model we show in the inner class to you. Okay, right. Now here definitely implementation is needed. So one implementation class is needed. Without implementation class, you cannot construct the bodies, no? Yes or no? So this is linked to one class. Here we had implements. Right. One multiple inheritance, one single inheritance. Combination of more than one is a hybrid. Combination, hybrid meaning is combination of more than one. That is hybrid. But actually, your C++ textbook will draw that diagram only. I draw no. Here to here, here to here, the diagram. The students will by heart the diagram and think that it is an hybrid. I also drawn that only. Observed or not now? That class will come like this. Again, the classes are linked. I shown that concept to you. Hybrid means they'll draw that diagram only. There one multiple, one hierarchical, one multiple we show it. Anyway, here one single, one multiple combination, you can say hierarchical. But first half is multiple inheritance model only. This half is multiple inheritance model. This is multiple inheritance. That half is multiple inheritance. But object not there for the interface, no? You have to take the support of one class. What this class has to do? The class has to take all abstract methods and construct the body. So theory. Now, here one diagram, I'll paste it. Here, example program. I will take itest1.java, itest2.java, itest3.java, iclass.java, demo, multiple inheritance, 3.java. This is one main class we had it. So let me construct that small demo model here. Multiple inheritance application 3, click on finish. Package test. Access. Under test we are taking one interface, itest1. One interface, itest2. One interface, itest3. One class, iclass. Now, here we are taking one abstract method. Abstract void m1 of int x we are taking. itest2 m2 of int y. Now this itest3 implements extends from itest1 comma itest2. Here I am keeping m3 like this. So one interface can be extended from any number of interfaces, the theory. But interface do not have any object. So we are implementing to one class. This class implements from itest3. When it is implemented from itest3, it has to construct the body for all. 3 errors came or not now? It has to construct the body for all. So you have to construct the body for all. M1, you have to construct the body for M2. And like this. So this is, we had, right. So this is, we are constructing the body for all. We create object for I class. Go for main class demo, multiple inheritance 3. So import test dot star. We are creating object for I class. OP is equal to new I class. Now OB dot M1, OB dot M2, some OB dot M3. So answer is coming now, roughly, right? I kept it. So here the demo is nothing but interface extends from any number of interfaces. Yeah. Output is coming. So here we prepare a document like this. Don't practice these models and run once and see. That's all. So constructing multiple inheritance, not right. Look here. Who don't know Java language correctly, they will say that multiple inheritance not available in Java, they'll say. You must not say multiple inheritance not available in Java, you must not say. Multiple inheritance meaning is taking the features from more than one at a time. That is multiple. That may be class, that may be interface, whatever it may be. Your author said, don't take the features from more than one class because ambiguities are very high. Don't take it. That model not available. But you can take the features from more than one interface at a time. That only interfaces. Understood this point? Moreover, multiple inheritance not there if anybody says, we traveled many years and came one from 95 to 2021. Our latest product Java 17 we released already. So Java 17 came by September only. 2021 September means what? October, November, December, January, February, March. Means almost 6 months completed for the latest product. Means what is happening now? It is not affecting that feature. And moreover, the real-time engineers knows that. Nowhere I will write multiple inheritance model. They are all available from the library. They are coming from the libraries. When they are available in the library, you must know what model it is. So I written, there are 3 models available to you where you are going to see in the libraries. That's the information to you. Moreover, any technical question papers and programs are coming. In that programs, they'll use these links. Is there any error is there? Means there you ought to identify. The model is correct or not, you ought to identify. For that purpose, we discuss once about multiple inheritance using interfaces. It's a theory. So finally, if we scroll back like this once, here one inheritance is there. Can you see the features? Object-oriented programming features. Among that, class is there, object is there. Okay, right. Now, abstraction anyway. Now it is inheritance, no? Right. So inheritance, how many types are there for you? Sir, inheritance according to applicative area, only 2 types. One is single inheritance, one is multiple inheritance. We had only single inheritance. Another one is multiple inheritance. With that combinations only multi-level will come. Multi-level means one class linked to another class linked to another class, multi-level will come. There only multi-level will come. If not, one interface linked to one more interface, the interface linked to class. Model is there for you. That's called multi-level. Somewhere I written yesterday, one abstract class linked to one more abstract class linked to one class. Yesterday's program. That also multi-level only. Right? Hierarchical. Hierarchical means a transaction linked to withdraw and deposit. That is called hierarchical. If you come like this, that is hierarchical. One I comparable linked to your greater and smaller. That is hierarchical. One I arithmetic linked to addition, subtraction. That is hierarchical. Hierarchical means coming down. That's called hierarchical. Hybrid means more than one. Today also one hybrid is there. Hybrid means if we combine more than one, that is hybrid. So like this, you can have a combination of single and multiple only. So that is single inheritance and multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance using interfaces. Using interfaces. All have understood this point now, right? So you completed inheritance completely. That's a concept. Understood this point? That is the models available in the inheritance chapter. What is our chapter now? Relationship between classes. How many are there now? 3 types. What are they? References, inheritance, and inner class. Now inheritance has been ended. Under inheritance, single and multiple. If I want to do a single inheritance, 11 programs are available and recorded. Available or not? Whenever I want to do multiple inheritance, I took interfaces. So I learned interfaces. So I constructed interface models. Means multiple inheritance model. Sir, what about abstract class? It is a class only. Abstract class is a class. Wherever the class is there, you can replace with abstract class. Only difference, abstract class do not have an object. Today I'll write that question to you. Okay, right? So this is. Remaining 3 titles not entered. Of course, now I can write abstraction anyway. Because interface completed, abstract class completed. I can write abstraction, but I'll write abstraction bit late. When I'm going to polymorphism chapter, I will write these 2 definitions and I'll enter. Okay, right. Polymorphism, one chapter will come for me. On that day, I'll write the definition about abstraction and encapsulation. Then I will go to polymorphism. That's a sequence. Okay, right. If I scroll up like this. So already components came nearer, about to close anyway. Object oriented already coming to ending because we are nearer with polymorphism. We are coming anyway. So we are nearer. So this is the process. We had it. Right. Relationship between classes can be done in 3 ways. References, inheritance, inner classes. That inner classes we are calling it as nested classes. Inheritance still not ended actually. Small models are pending. That all models will come with the inner classes again. Inner classes also linked with the inheritance concept. Okay, right. Now, everybody should read that inheritance completely. Under inheritance, first 10 or 11 programs came. All are same name, parent class, child class, but concept is available. Super keyword, this keyword, super off, hiding. Yesterday, somebody asked one question. Google Classroom, somebody kept one question, no? Data hiding, but nobody answered that question. Somebody kept one question in Google Classroom. Stop for today. That message only will be there. If they are moved not there, stop for today. Right, okay. Right. Look at somebody kept one question, you can answer it. Have seen that question or not? Because of this reason, we never see that message. Right. Somebody, who is this? Anybody here? Offline or online? Okay. You also can type the answer for you. If anybody knows that question, you can type the answer. They will cross check it. Nothing is there. Right. This is a program. Look here. This is a program given by your friend. Sridhar. Parent class. This is one parent class, no? Right. Because I am under inheritance, no? Anyway. If any genuine question is there, I'll answer it. Sir, today switch off the class, sir. Today I will not come that questions, I will not answer it. Anyway. So she tried, I think, like this. Look here. Now, parent class is having one variable, that is static variable. Parent class is having one static method. Parent class is having one static block. All are static, no? Okay, right. Okay. Child class is having one static variable. Static method. Static block. All are static, no? Right. Okay. Here same static method signature. Here same static method signature. Same static method signature in parent class and child class. If there is one same static method signature in parent class and child class, it is method hiding a method overriding a. Same static method signature in parent class and child class, it is method hiding or method overriding. Method. Same static method signature, method overriding a, method hiding a. Right. Same instance method signature in parent class and child class is known as method overriding. If same static method signature in parent class and child class is known as method overriding a, method hiding a. Method hiding. Your answer is overriding, right? Yes or no? Na? Right. So because I written this summary, you can read my notes carefully. Answer is there. Because students cannot remember, I know. After 10 days, you cannot remember me only. Not possible. Somewhere I seen this faculty, somewhere you'll think it. Because short-term memory losses will be there for the student. That Gajini movie based on students only, that one. So after 20 days, we cannot, somebody is traveling, then they'll think somebody is going on. Roughly I'm speaking. Because we're recording the notes. What are the points? That is the reason. Why we are recording in them, that is the reason. Why I'm writing the notes. General, I can speak it, no. I can come to the class and I can speak general. I'll write on the board, I'll rub it and go. Recording not there means student something. After 10 days, he cannot see anywhere. Not possible. Because we recorded, I record the point very clearly here. It is hiding. So, based on this theory, hiding. Which method is hiding? Which method now? I made a statement to you already. Here, method hiding process means here. When we have same static method signature in parent class and child class, then parent class method is hidden by child class method. What is method hiding process? In the execution control cannot reach the parent class for execution. While execution started, it cannot reach the parent class. That only meaning. Right? Okay. If you read these points, answers are available there only. Generally, we expect the same. We expect that student is reading the notes. We expect it generally. Here same. Now, this is hidden method. So the method should not come as an output. Yes or no? Hidden method means the method should not come. Which method should come now? This method should come. This is fine. Okay. Now, child class dot m. Child class dot m. We are calling the method from child class. When we are calling the method from child class must be loaded. Yes or no? Na? But in the inheritance process, when you are loading child class loaded first, parent class loaded first. Parent class loaded first. Rule is available or not now? Yes or no? Na? Because inheritance over. Here. In inheritance process, the parent class is loaded onto method area first, and then child class is loaded. When parent class loaded, parent class static block should run, no? Understood this point or not now? When the child class is loading, child class static block must run, no? Right. Whether they are running or not, let me cross check it once. A drive. CD demo 129 Java C demo dot Java demo dot Java. Now Java demo and demo. Static blocks are running or not now? Parent class static block, because parent class is loaded. While class loading, the first static block executed with the highest priority. Static block is executed with the highest priority while class loading. So static blocks will come. Then what is coming now? Child class method is coming, because I am calling child class method. So theory. All of you understood this? Right. Anyway, you can answer it. So hope the girl understood, I think. Very good. Right. So read the notes a bit carefully, what is available there. Even static block definition also available to you. If any doubt available in the static block, you must scroll back and look in the static block once. Don't read in soft copies, take printouts and turn back and front. Then the command will be very high. In the smartphones, if you scroll back, command will not come. If any material is there, you can check back. You can easily read it. You must read more and more than 100 times you must read Core Java material. Not for 1 time, 2 times, 100 times you must read it. Even still I am reading Core Java. I'll buy latest versions and I'll read it. You must read it, because different behaviors are there. Language, no? How much you read, that much of strongness will come. Language you must not leave. Language, how much you read it, that much of command will come. So read more. 100 plus times you must read the material. 1 minute. I'm scrolling back once. Let me cross check what static block definition I given. Cross checking once. Right. Static block is executed automatically with the highest priority while class loading. I made a statement. Highest priority. Static blocks can access static variable directly, but I cannot access in static. Static block is one-time executable component while class loading, and the class loads only once. Anyway, the information is there already. First only. If the in inheritance process, because of extends keyword, parent class loads automatically, static block is executed. So point. Okay. So anyway, try. Very good. Who tried this program and some doubt? Very good. Okay. Make a siding, inner classes in Java, star mark IMP, inner classes in Java. The classes which are declared, I forget to say that you had a Infosys freshers recruitment drive is there. Last date is April 15th for 19, 20, 21, 22 passed outs. I'll update the link in the Google Classroom today. Who are having eligibility, click it and join. Apply for it. Freshers recruitment for Infosys anyway. The link updated by management to me. I load in your Google Classroom today. And one more link is your ID cards. I forget it. The two links I'll update today. Right? Apply for ID card. That is a link I'll update there. And one more is freshers recruitment drive for 19, 20, 21, 22 passed out. 4 years. 2019. So 19, very rare they will take it, but they are taking 19. If anybody is 19, use the opportunity bit strongly. Right? Anyway, 21, 22 will have more opportunities. And 2019 means less people will call it. So anything is available. Try bit seriously. Don't try with roughly and the subject point of view, bit seriously prepare it. Right? Okay, 19 people, bit seriously prepare it. I'll update the link in Google Classroom by 1 o'clock. I'll update it. You check it. You are having eligibility means update it. Okay, right. One more is there no fair. That NASCOM fair is there. 5th last date. Today only. Over. You applied that or not applied? Applied. If anybody is applied. Whatever is there, you apply it. And because these 2 months are recruitment time. And this March ending already. April, May, June, up to August, the recruitments will be there. Because all freshers are coming out, the restarts with. So in this period only, the recruitment should be over. If up to August recruitment run there means, again August onwards, 3 months, the slag will be there. Recruitments will not be there. Again in December, some will be there. If we cross December, again 3-4 months will not be there. Again you have to wait for next June, July again. So your 1 year will be wasted. So in this 3 months, take any one offer letter from any one company. Okay, right. So the classes which are declared inside the class. The classes which are declared inside the class are known as inner classes, or you can say nested classes. Inner classes or nested classes. These inner classes are categorized into the following, you write. Categorized into the following. 1. Member inner classes. local inner classes, nested inner classes. At any cost, don't miss the class. Sorry. Anonymous inner classes. So at any cost, don't miss this topic and inner classes. Toughest and confusion model, very important for frameworks. This knowledge will play very important role for frameworks. This model take almost 3-4 days it takes. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, almost Friday, Saturday also, the model will be running. Almost 4 sessions it takes. Inheritance took many days, no? Right? All are inheritance only. Interfaces also inheritance. Your abstract class also all are inheritance. The same way. It also takes almost 4 sessions it takes up to Saturday. Right? So don't miss the class up to Saturday. Very, 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 very important model. Inner class. Class only headache. Class holding another class means a double headache will come. Understood this statement? Up to now, class is holding variable. Class is holding method. Class is holding block. Class can use the features of another class. At last, class is saying that I hold class. Understood this point or not now? Class itself one headache means class holding another class means definitely double headache will come. This model is important. After this model, exception handling will be started. Once exception handling started, finish. The course comes to end. Remaining all application. Application means whatever you learned up to now, you are going to apply. So application will be started. Sir, I know constructor, I know block, I know references, I know inheritance, I know inner class, I know exceptional. We are going to apply somewhere. Then collection framework, multi-threading, files, networking, they are all applicating. The knowledge we apply there for the concepts. That's the point. So this chapter is very, very, very important. Take a break. So 2 days notes not available to you. Today I'll update the notes 4 and 5. I'll update the notes. I'll update 2 links in your Google Classroom. 1 link for applying for ID card. All of you should apply for ID card. So management is planning to make that ID card as mandatory within few days. So apply, click that link and fill the form. If already fill the form, no problem. Sir, with my friends, sir, I scanned somewhere, I applied means no problem. If not, use that link, I'll do today. And one more drive. Information, I'll update it, apply it. The Infosys is taking huge recruitment drive. It is going to take it. Right? Okay. If anybody, test yourself and knock the door. If door is open, be happy. Package is very high. 9.5 lakhs for freshers. 9.5 lakhs for freshers. Infosys is offering. It's not a small amount for freshers. Sir, my mother, father giving only 5,000, sir. Suddenly 9 lakhs means what I should do, sir. Right. Roughly I'm speaking. Right. Knock the door. Great opportunity. So, right. Seriously, you are eligible because you are comfortable stage up to now. Read the notes and apply it. Let us see. Okay, right. Thank you very much for today. Don't miss the class for inner classes for 4 days. Thank you.